Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 31st March 2021. So this analysis and video is for 31st March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 1st April. So I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart. As you can see right now, market is trading at 1.3777. Okay, this is the current market price, and if you've already short the market in the 50 moving average around this particular point, then I'll tell you that you need to stick with your short trade as long as market is trading below this 50 moving average. Okay, and if you have not short the market and you're looking for an opportunity, then I'll tell you to wait for some time and just observe the price, because see, though market formed this big red candle, okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Market came down a little, but here just look at this particular red candle. Okay, the candle is like this, means let, let me change the color to the original color. So it's a hammer pattern, means that it opened here. Okay, it opened here, sellers took the price all the way till here. Okay, but buyers came in, they did not like the price and they pushed the price and closed here. Okay, means there was some price rejection. There are some buyers present in the market, okay, who were still struggling and who are still trying to take the price upward. Okay, so if you have not short the market yet and if you're looking for a fresh position, then I'll tell you to wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time, and within no time it seems the market will hit the 50 moving average, or market will reach the 50 moving average. Once it hits the 50 moving average, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling again, or price is still struggling, price is unable to cross the 50 moving average, and 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. See, the price is about to reverse from here, then you can short the market. Okay, and if you've already short the market, then wait, have patience as long as market is trading below this 50 moving average. And if you're looking for a fresh position, wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time and let the market hit the 50 MA again and reverse from there. In case it crosses, then that's a different chapter. You do not need to enter the market. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow again and explain what should be your next strategy. So this is the simple analysis for GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best, and see you tomorrow. And do not forget to subscribe if you are watching my videos for the first time. Bye bye.